Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how plants make oxygen. Plants are incredible living organisms that perform a vital process called photosynthesis. They take in carbon dioxide from the air, absorb water through their roots, and capture sunlight using a special green pigment called chlorophyll. Through this amazing natural process, plants convert these simple ingredients into sugars for their own energy, and in doing so, they release the oxygen we breathe. For plants to effectively produce oxygen, three key elements are absolutely essential. First, carbon dioxide, a gas we exhale, enters the plant through tiny openings on its leaves called stomata. Second, water is absorbed from the soil by the roots and travels up to the leaves. Finally, sunlight provides the necessary energy to drive the entire chemical conversion, making oxygen production possible. The magic of oxygen production largely happens thanks to chlorophyll, the green pigment found within plant cells' chloroplasts. Chlorophyll is incredibly efficient at absorbing light energy, particularly red and blue wavelengths. This absorbed energy is then used to split water molecules, releasing electrons and, crucially, oxygen gas into the atmosphere. These electrons also play a key role in converting carbon dioxide into glucose, the plant's food source. To maximize the amount of oxygen your plants produce, focus on providing optimal conditions. Ensure they receive ample light, ideally 6 to 8 hours of bright, indirect sunlight each day. Consistent watering is also crucial. Keep the soil moist but never waterlogged. Good air circulation helps supply fresh carbon dioxide, which is a primary ingredient for photosynthesis. Healthy, thriving plants are the best oxygen factories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.